Alrighty. Good morning. What's up, everybody? Just 1 second, and I will be right with you guys. How about that SRP call? SRPT. Sheesh. Alright, let's go ahead and hop on the Discord. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. All right. Yeah, for those of you who got CPOP with me this morning, I'm hanging on to it, guys, because I only scaled in. I'm watching for a little flush out here this morning. So, also SRPT moving up. Ooh, Microsoft. $304. All right. One second, everybody. I'll be right with you. Hold on. Gotta put this up. All right. Hey, 1 second, everybody. I gotta fix the message my broker back. Hold on 1 second. Okay, that makes a whole lot of sense right there. Yeah, SRPT now at a high of 1434. I'm thinking I might add a little bit here in pre-market. We'll give you guys, I'll let you guys know here in just a second what I do. Good to go. I do see some relatively good option plays today. Yeah, I think we'll see some movement. Tyler, you made gains on IWAC this morning. Nice job, man. Tyler, you've been doing pretty good so far, dude. Maybe you're doing good already, and now you're just keeping it going. That's awesome, dude. I'm happy to see it. But I do see a few options. Yeah, just a second. I'm sorry, guys. All right, here we go. Oh my God. Yo, Fubo as well, $28 here in pre-market. Try type beforehand. Okay, there we go. we're good to go now. I apologize about that, guys. Sorry. Thank you for your patience, as always. What's up? Good morning. You playing memes today? Yes. We will be looking at a couple meme stocks today. Clove, SRPT. If you guys swung, I know Opticy swung new, but I think some people double dipped into new. What is going on here? Sorry, my computer's being wonky right now. Oh, that's because I'm hitting the escape button. There we go. Okay, that makes a whole lot of sense. Alright, let's see. There we go. Alright, wow, Regeneron passes new 50-week high. CPOP kind of spiking down here. DKS moving up here a little bit. Alrighty, guys, let's go ahead and let's get straight to the news. Of course, as always, we're just going to do a brief recap. Nothing crazy, but we're going to go ahead and get into it. So, where do we go? There we are. All right, so a couple things on the docket today. U.S. House advances Biden multi-trillion-dollar domestic agenda. The Democrat-controlled U.S. House of Representatives voted on Tuesday to advance key parts of President Joe Biden's agenda after moderates and progressives reached a compromise line that would move forward with the multi-trillion-dollar plans. South Korea Parliament committee votes to curb Google and Apple dominance with commissions. The U.S. approves license for Huawei to buy auto chips. U.S. officials have approved a license application worth hundreds of millions of dollars for China's blacklisted telecom company Huawei to buy chips for its growing auto component business. Two people with the familiar with the matter have said. Good morning, everybody. Yeah, like the baby. It's a baby from Teletubbies. Oh, my shirt matches that. Sick. Okay, anyway, U.S. to restart oil leasing with offshore auction this year. The Biden administration said on Tuesday that it would take steps to restart the federal oil and gas leasing program in the next week. Plans to hold Gulf of Mexico auction as soon as October, court papers have shown. So Wall Street futures traded slightly gains, with slight gains, with investors focused on federal child speech at Jackson Hole Symposium scheduled later this week. Asian shares ended higher, anchored by overnight gains in the U.S. stock indexes. European markets were subdued as data showed weaker business morale in Germany during August. The dollar strengthened and fears of Delta coronavirus variant derailed a global economy recovery. Fears of a Delta coronavirus variant derailing the global economy recovery, while gold slipped, oil prices edged up, and data on orders for durable goods in July is due for release later today. A couple of earnings that we have going into today as well. Hold on one second. Alta's moving up. Wow, Alta just beat a 52-week high here in pre-market. Also, those of you watching, one of the things that I want to show you guys as well is, so you guys see that I have scanners up, right? So I have multiple, I have two signals here, I have a scanner here, I have a newsfeed here. With the scanner, the filters, guys, get really, look at this, short interest, short float, right? So you can literally narrow your search down to, so you could go back, study the prerequisites, and put them into your scanner. And this thing goes down to the shares outstanding, short float, share float, average volume, 14-day, and it's quite useful. So just throwing that out there for you guys. Okay, but anyway, earnings today, covered this one. We have Snow reporting, CRM, Splunk, and Alta, which are kind of the standout ones. A lot of data. Splunk is data, CRM, and Snow. Both all deal with computer data, period. So Alta also receiving a lot of price upgrades, and I wouldn't be surprised if they beat earnings. But all right, so let's go ahead and let's take a peek, right, at or major ETFs. Yeah, we're gonna be watching all of the meme stocks. Bio. We'll be watching all of these. All right, so right off the bat, guys, we know where we're at. We went over this last night as far as SPY, the Qs. We know we're up against resistance, so we've got a lot to deal with right now. Does SPY break this channel support? I can't tell you that, but I can tell you what it's going to take in order to make that happen. So already here in pre-market, trading flat is obviously not a surprise because you can't make much of a move, right, if you're not moving and if you're just trading in range. So yesterday was a complete range trade, and then as of this morning on the 15-minute, we have moving averages crossing above us. So for SPY, 448.50 is going to be that mark in which we need to break. I think at that point you could see 449, but we also have to keep in mind, what in the hell, this line, crazy. But we have to keep in mind that SPY is very much up against resistance, and you can see in previous sessions that it will spend a couple days up against, even weeks up against resistance before it finally makes its move to the downside. And the further that it goes along the upside, the more room it has to fall to the downside. And of course, I know everybody and their mother is pretty much banking on SPY to pop or break out or break down out of this consolidating price range, right? So as this gets smaller, people are anticipating a break. Watch them do the opposite to you. Watch them break this above, get you to change your mind, right? Hit 450 or something crazy like that, and then completely reverse. It's totally within on the card. So yes, SRPT is still. No shit. OnlyFans drops planned porn ban. I'm not allowed to say that. Prawn. That's just a news headline, TikTok. Don't shoot me. Okay, so also yesterday, if you don't know what this doji is, that's a neutral doji. Okay, no movement to either side. That's why we saw that chop. So it's a below yesterday's lows. So you know, below this mark right here, 447.50. 447.35, likely to see SPY to the downside. So also a good thing you could set up is I have a pivot point for SPY around 446.35. I think that's where we pull back to, and even if we pull back, don't let that fake you out as a rejection. We would need to see some type of catalyst. So all right. Okay, so as far as the Qs, guys, yesterday I was just proud of this. Of course, I love technical analysis, guys. I talk about it all the time. And this is one of the reasons why I do. Because I'm able to map things out, or I have a gut feeling. And trust your gut, you know, as long as you, you know, you're putting yourself in the right situations to do so. But with the Qs, I know that when we hit resistance, I said this last time, I'm not a genius. I just look back at what happened last time. Right? What happened last time when we hit resistance? We chopped like crazy. So right here, I told people if we hit resistance right around 375, watch for a chop fest. That's exactly what we're getting. Now, again, SPY, Qs, IWM, everything pretty much down, holding this top resistance, and if anything, prone for a rejection. So just keep it simple for yourself in particular, and look for relative strength within the market, because that's going to be the better plays that you're going to be looking to take. Yes, Upstart, we'll take a look at that one. We've got that one pretty much mapped out on as far as I'm concerned, so we know how that one moves. Anybody still in C-pop with me? I'm still hanging on here, looking for the flush. I think the flush comes down to 484. %, of option contracts expire worthless. It's okay, Tyler. No. Well, here's what you want to see. Ready? So if we see a pullback here, right? I think Shinobi Signals like said something about this, but I've heard people call it different things. But right now, you know, with CPOP, you could watch for a pullback to 44, watch that flush out, and then wait for that curl. When you start to see a curl on a high momentum stock, that's what you're looking for. Yo, Quiver, dude. I gotta talk to you immediately. I need to get your site. I can stop pumping that Quiver quantitative, dude. I love your site. More people need to see it. I don't know if anybody on here in the Discord. I know a lot of you guys use Quiver, but he has the TikTok. He's pretty cool. What's up, man? All right, so we got the Qs. We got IWM, of course, guys. Same story all around. I think we found a temporary bottom, but what we're gonna need to see is, and this is why, guys, it's okay to wait a couple minutes, right, for the market to give us a certain direction. If you swung trade or you swung into today, then obviously same situation there. Alta just passed it passed 52-week high here. Hey, good morning, Snee. Good morning, everybody. Are you out long on Qs? So Qs, I just explained that. I was just going over the Qs right now. Really, really long channel. And we're up against that channel. We've seen multiple times where when we hit the channel, we chop. And that's what I called yesterday. I said Qs would likely chop there. So I'm waiting for some type of catalyst. And yes, I think we'll end up trending back down. So I do think that a rejection is we're primed for rejection just based off of the fact that we're at the top of this channel and consolidated heavily. We also have declining volumes. So Friday 8:25. Nice. Okay, cool. Yeah, I'll be watching today. I think I'm gonna wait for scalping. I'm gonna wait just a few minutes. Hey, D-Nut, by the way, if anybody's in D-Nut, they're moving back up here. Beautiful support bounce. We called this one last night. Watch D-Nut above above 1750. That's sexy for a donut. Mm-hmm. All right. Let's see here. I told you guys the other day to keep your eyes on Victoria's Secrets. Continue to do that. I do think it's starting to get more and more positive ratings. So that is hot ass coffee. All right. So we're gonna go over Dow, and then we're gonna go ahead and get to. Okay, same story with the Dow, guys. Talked about this one yesterday. It's just a matter of holding. We didn't get much movement. This is what we're looking like here. Kind of just holding like a little tiny. If you go and look at the hourly support, run it off this bottom. In my opinion, I think we've actually broken that uptrend. So I'd be watching the Dow to go back down to 3,500, potentially fill that gap to 351.20, 351, somewhere in there. Yeah, I see that. So that could be why we're seeing, and I mean, like you saw that a lot of people were saying that margin calls could have been a lot of the reasons why we've seen. How's Baba look? Be careful on these Chinese stocks running up on speculation.
AMC breaking for all-time highs.
I certainly hope so. That'd be cool. All right, so real quick, just to go over a couple different swings that we have. All right, so Sony so far didn't make a new high. Okay, if it was going to, it would have, and it didn't. Okay, it didn't really make a crazy rejection, but it didn't really do much of anything. So here's the deal with Sony. They were $50 and they were really, really cheap. We can watch and hold. I think that this one may offer a good re-entry, but we would have to see some type of substantial movement at the bell. Now, with the way that the market is consolidated and a lot of things up against resistance, it's not far-fetched to think that we could end up seeing that rejection. So if you guys made great profits on the first original call, which was the 102 call, those went from 80 to $200. Now, if you took those, then this call, right, that we grabbed lightly, we shouldn't be down on too bad. We should be able to either cut it, but first of all, wait for a bounce off of 103.85. We don't get it, I'm gonna cut. So that's my level for cut. What's on the watch list? Hop on YouTube. We're going over that right now. So Clover, also on my watch list as well. This one was just moving really wild here in pre-market. Looks like it's extended at a channel. So I'm watching this one above basically $9, which is where it's just struggled with consistently. So I'm watching Clover as well today. AMC, of course, we're gonna watch that one for a pop above that 47.35, 25 level. You guys can tell that that's the hot topic right now, is whether or not AMC is going to see itself another squeeze. So it looks like we have a little tiny channel that's kind of keeping AMC contained at the moment, and you'll probably find that most meme stocks like that look similar. So the best thing to do on this is to set a lot of alerts and let the play come to you. Okay, so we have Nvidia. Okay, I'm glad that you brought it up. So at this point, this is exactly what I was talking about. Okay, so I talked about whether or not we were going to hold this. If we didn't, we would likely either taper back to support or we would pull back. Now, at the moment, the way that I see it, we are at this hourly time frame support. And looking at the moving averages that we have in place, and even looking at a 4-hour time frame, it's do or die at this point where we need to go ahead and see a bounce in our favor. Nvidia on most time frames right now, and I will say that candles like this usually aren't great signs for continuation. These candles right here actually can be reversal signals. So I would be very, very careful. I would likely take 215.75. I'd likely take a downside play to probably 210, somewhere in there. I think that if we do not get a bounce off of 215.35, or we don't break this downtrend, just to keep it simple. So starting off this high, if we don't break this downtrend, 219, of course, 220 is going to be a big level. 221, that previous high, 222. But we'll know, I think, at the bell whether or not we're going to have the juice in order to make it up and around there. So I feel a little different, guys, as far as the climate, right? Everybody's excited. Everybody's ready to make money. And that's when I start to think, okay, this is when historically people get caught because they get caught up in the sauce, and then they're in the sauce too deep and they can't get out. So remember the climate that we are in, and remember that we're letting trades come to us. We're looking for high momentum. We're looking for outstanding relative strength before we take weekly contracts, especially if we're new. For new, it's always safer to pay a little bit extra money for a little bit of peace of mind. Peace of mind, excuse me. Peace of mind. Good morning, everybody. Is Georgie on right now?
Yeah, Georgie on.
Yes, Georgie's on. Georgie's in third person this morning. Oh, good, man. Just watching pre-market all so far already.
I'm gonna keep an eye on Funko today.
Oh, that's did you see that insider sell I put or buy I put in live trading chat last night?
I was sleeping probably.
Probably. Here, or it's actually in my channel. I put Funko. So this is one thing I've been trying to pay attention to is the insider buying and selling. Funko, they purchased 181.5 shares, or 1,000 shares of Funko at, I believe, oh, it actually doesn't give me a price, but it does tell me 3.25 million in capital. So Funko did purchase that at on 8/24, so yesterday around the end of the day. So and honestly, that tells me NFT. So like TCAT, which popped and ran yesterday, but this one could flush over and kind of curl up. You've got Funko too, that has a big double bottom off of the daily. So I actually really like Funko potentially to go to $20 today.
Yeah, the daily looks good now.
Yeah, the daily looks good. So I'll take that one with you. You might end up getting an EMA crossover as well. Yeah, it does look good. I think this one could go into the 20s, even 22.
Their all-time high around like 31.
The DNUT price target is $20.
You get it. Look at the weekly.
At the weekly on what? On Funko? Oh, wow. Yeah, I see it. Yeah, I see it. Oh, shit. Okay. That's cool. I like that. Shout out to Funko. Phew. So if it gets above 21 bucks, that's where this thing could start to really rebound. But you see that? Do you see that wick last week on Funko off of 1674?
Yeah.
That's nice. That 50 EMA there.
Fire presence there as well.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually can. Man, if it's gonna clear the let's say around 2042, it can go. I think. But let it reach the 20 first.
Yeah. Hold on a second. FSD Pharma to acquire Lucid Pharmaceuticals. Huge. That's the name of the ticker, is huge. Okay, so, oh man, is that BABA? That's exactly what now that's not bad. Okay, so let's look at the BABA setup on the 4-hour. Not bad, but this is why I told people, I don't think it's like, if you're long on it, Gucci, but it is, we're still dealing with the FUD. The FUD is not gone, it's still very much present. So if anything, you have a gap to fill, right? So that may give you a chance to trim exposure. A lot of the times a gap down onto a major moving average will be a retest. I think one thing that I said yesterday, in fact, I said this before the bell. I said that because we've broken downtrend, we run the risk of having a retest. Now, in after hours, I said that pre-market would probably likely tell us that 167 is where we just retested. Look at this wick. Do you see that wick on my trend line? I didn't move anything. I just woke up and this is where it's at. So it's retested. Let's watch for a gap fill. 172.75. Gap fill to push 177. 177 break. I think we see 180. Pretty easy.
If you're long on BABA equity, I think it's fine. What we've seen with those comeback, it shows like the buyer is still present there.
Yeah. SRPT was a good call. Do you have that Funkoverse, dude? That's cool.
Ah, that no, I didn't buy. I saw it in the shop today. Yeah. You want it? I can send it to you.
That'd be cool. I mean, I think Manny might want
want?
it first, though.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not a Game of Thrones. Like, I haven't watched Game of Thrones as much as everybody else has. He likes Game of Thrones, though.
I watch it.
You watch it?
Yeah.
My life is like Game of Thrones. I'm just kidding. Alright, so another stock, guys, that I'm watching today is UUU. Not you, but UUU.
100 last night.
3 U's, not 4. 708. Sorry, I have to like, because my brain's like, I'm trying to like keep it together. Yes, SPRT, sorry, excuse me. We actually, that one was signaled at like 11 or something like that. Yeah, I haven't gotten into Game of Thrones. Oh man, I forgot about GRWG. So what do we have? Huh?
You still think the cannabis will do something soon?
Cannabis. I just feel like they're keeping it down as long as possible. So I mean, like, you get these short pops, but like going long on cannabis, I feel like if we end up getting a correction of any sort, like that, those are gonna take a beating hard. And so like I'm okay with buying a little bit here and there, but I'm not ready to put a full size position back into cannabis yet. So.
Cannabis just equities accumulation, nothing else. To be honest.
Black. I'm this close to selling my entire portfolio and going into crypto. No, sounds. Don't make emotional moves. Don't let something like that. That's when you make like emotional based decisions, like because of like the market frustrating and stuff like that. Like, I get it. It is really frustrating, but you're gonna find yourself in the same situation in crypto, because it's not the same thing, but it's the same thing. Still big institutions faking us out, low volume run ups, etc., etc. So, where's AMC at in pre-market? Oh, already breaking out of that channel. I don't like that.
That's huge that he told me, Austin, to look at it. You know, their all-time high in February, in September 2018,
Mm-hmm.
it's 174. Now it's at 1.72%.
Oh my god, that's crazy. All right, what are we looking at here this morning? Funko is F and oh, you already found it. Okay, F and KO, yeah. Good morning, everybody. DK and G. That doesn't look bad.
We spoke about the gambling last time as the football starting, the leagues and this stuff. So we said to keep an eye on the gambling stuff like AKNG, International, you know, SLGG slash, we traded this. Super League Gaming.
That's right, I do. Super League Gaming.
Yeah. Yesterday it ran a little bit.
Oh yeah, that one's still got, yeah. It did have a big bottom on it. DraftKings does look good. It bounced off support. It looks like it's riding the 9. Watch for a 55-35 retest, but other than that, especially looking at everything else, I'd watch for a confirmed breakout above 57.16. She bought a ton of DKNG yesterday. Perfect. Thanks, Kathy. As far as Upstart is concerned, we've discussed this last night. how Upstart moves, go look at the previous earnings and it'll tell you everything you need to know. So there's a possibility we go and hit like the 235 level at the most. I think 235, 230 maybe even be the top. And then likely we're going to see a pullback. So why is Muds making a new high? It's garbage. What's the consensus? Oh yeah, so Sony didn't do the move. So it really hasn't changed much. It's still basically where we took it at. I think it's like a few points below. So for me, I'm going to cut it at 103.80, period. That's it. I mean, I'm just going to cut them. Like, they were $50. One thing that I did is use profits from the original trade to go into this one. So that way, you know, I wasn't playing with anything I could afford or ended up getting burned. But yeah, so this one, we're going to watch this to bounce off VWAP and then potentially break resistance. But that's about all we can do. You guys are more than welcome below that mark to hedge yourself, because what is happening on Sony is we have swung into a potential resistance break, which is going to be tough. So it's going to take a little bit of gas. So we're going to need to see that gas today. If we don't see the gas today, then it's just a simple cut, because at that point, it's either likely going to continue to consolidate and we can watch it towards the end of the day, and or we just go ahead and cut it. So good volume, but not great as far as
in the pre-market. It looks okay.
I got an alert on SMH last night. Yep, SMH gapped up. I think semiconductors have you have a lot of positive news. Okay, so hey guys, we went over SMH. We talked about this inverse head and shoulders. I think we could see continuation. Now, one thing I will say is we have an hourly gap. That gap could absolutely get filled. So don't get faked out scalping these AMD and Nvidia at the bell. It's just something to keep in mind. But also, right, this support that we talked about, that's where we're up against. We have to get above 266. 266 ETF. I'd like to see it run to 268, somewhere in there. So that's my point of view on Nvidia, is just watching that major ETF and lining that up. So if you guys look, we just went over Nvidia as well. This one is on my list of things to potentially take at the bell, because I want to see it basically above 219.15 for a pop up to at a minimum of 220 and potentially 222. So we could see a strong pop, but that pop could get stifled at 219.75. So I will scale into this position, right? Because if we get a breakout, it should be a good one based on the setup that we have. But it's not out of the question that we wick down and hit like something crazy like 213. They know retail's watching, so just be careful. Thoughts on an AMC put? Don't do it. I mean, that's on you. I don't short meme stocks. I don't short them, period. I'm sure there's tons of money to be made, but I just don't play with fire like that. But in my opinion, if you're going to take it short, it'd be below 850. But honestly, or excuse me, not 850. I'm looking at AMC, or at Clove. The 200 here at 43.15 on the 5. So if you go to the hourly as well, so 43, 42.90 is where you would hope to see a bounce. If you don't get that bounce, then more than likely it's going to end up taking a downwards position. But you guys actually saw yesterday that AMC, look at this, completely rejected and then just completely reversed. So please don't get caught like trying to go. If you do anything, it's probably going to need to be relatively quick. Guru, Microsoft right now, man, is consolidating. Look at the Qs. I think Microsoft might end up, it is pulling up in pre-market, but what it's doing is it's actually retesting the very same level that it broke. So 305 is probable, right, for a potential price target today. And if it climbs above its 5-minute pivot point that I marked out this morning, and that was, I believe, I hate when the chart does this, at above 304. So above 304 with good volume, then we could see that 305 mark. So the hourly, if you want to do short swings, you're looking to take something for a short swing. My recommendation would be looking at the hourly. You want a bullish candle close. You want to make sure. I think that honestly, you need to be looking at the 4-hour. You need to establish your trend lines. You establish major resistances. Then you go to the hourly. You look for bullish continuation patterns and bullish volume. If you have a good day or bottom out, like a day where you've kind of like flatlined at a certain support and started to curl up or something like that, you can take speculative calls on things like that, looking at the hourly, or if you get a bullish candle close above VWAP and the 9-day moving average on the hourly time frame, for the most part, it's usually good for a swing. I went over Upstart on my page, so. Colton, oh no, you're watching yesterday's pre-market prep, probably like, what is this guy talking about? All right, let's go and look at Apple, I guess, here. We're getting ready to pull back, I feel like. All right, so I'm sure everybody's thinking that this thing is going to skyrocket. It does have a little bit of a bullish candle here on the 4-hour, but still well in trend. I gotta be honest with you guys on Apple. This one's market based, so as long as the market goes up, Apple goes up too. Apple likely breaks out of this pattern and goes to 155 within a week if it does break the 152. And I would say 151.50, but really 152 is only a 50-cent move above that and would be the nearest resistance that we could see. So for Apple, anytime you're building in this type of setup, you want to see really, really great volume. And at the moment, you're seeing declining volume. So. Oh, can we short Sava? Is that a thing? Let's short Sava.
I did last night in after hours.
You shorted it? Like shorted?
Yeah, like legit. I shorted it with shares.
Sava to 65.
Sava to $3.
This is the long-term target.
Hey, Sava just got a price target raise, so be careful.
Just now?
Like literally just now.
Oh, they're trying to bring it back up.
225 is a target, but that's way too high. So whatever.
They're trying to amplify. Yeah, I'll watch it for a potential breakdown. It could be a good put, but it's probably likely going to be inflated. They're going to be scooping up all those puts. So, all right. Dollar should be making new highs.
From who Atlas? The price target of the break.
Give me 1 second, bro. I'll find it.
Jones, traders circulate Jones trading note reiterating buy target of $215.
Yep, it's Jones Trading. They're a small private equity firm.
That you just went fucking broke on Sava. That's what happened.
That's what I'm thinking as well.
They're like, fuck.
See, if you go on FinViz, if you go to finviz.com and type in the ticker, it'll tell you if it's gotten any other upgrades today or downgrades, and those would be the ones I pay attention to the most.
I got Apple. Apple's in this little setup here. Keep it simple on Apple. Apple could run to 150.60 today and then get a rejection pretty clearly there. All right, we got 10 minutes here. Ouch. Okay. We're watching a potential continuation play out on the semiconductor ETF. I'm going to pass up Upstart today. I'll let you guys hang out with Upstart. I don't really see my kind of opportunity in that trade. It's just not right for me. AMD to the downside. Yeah, pre-market lows. 107.28. But you're up against that HMA on the 5, 108.25, and you could see a rebound back up. But guys, I'm gonna wait a few minutes before the bell, guys. We made good money yesterday, and we've made good money really for 2 weeks. Like I can't speak for everybody, but if you're up, you should feel more relaxed about not rushing into the day. So with AMD, I want to bring something to your attention. So if you look in the left-hand corner of my screen, you'll notice that this moving average right here, right, is created almost like a pennant type setup. And we do have support. So that's where you're opening today. You're opening today on support. So you could take it below, but you could absolutely still wick off of 106.50. This is the hourly time frame. But on the contrary, above 109 and above this previous high of 110, the target changes to around 112.25, which of course Nvidia and this semiconductor inverse head and shoulders would likely continue to play out, and we could see a return to the 268 level. So Discord valued at 15 billion after this Microsoft deal collapses. Shit. Can we get in that? You guys want to start up a Discord seed? Like, hey, we're just a little group here. We want to invest. Yo, that's dope. Sony. Hey, look at Sony starting to move back up on that news. Just a little gap back up to 402. Alright, so we got that one on watch.
Lucid catching some volume.
I'm going to have to split my screen into 6. You said Lucid is?
Yeah, they have news like Lucid announces the performance and range version of Lucid Air Dream Edition. There's a big article. I think you can find it in Benzinga.
Nordstrom didn't get very good earnings. You want me to look at Riot? For sure, I can look at Riot.
Atlas, do you know anything about the QSI, Quantum C Incorporated? Cat is buying this, and I don't know anything about the company.
What's it trading at? What's the price at right now?
895.
That sounds really familiar. I wanted to make sure it was the same company. It sounds really, really familiar.
No,
Have we traded that before, Georgie?
No, it's familiar for a Quantum Scoop.
Oh, that's why that name sounded familiar. I don't know anything about it. Send me the QSI, right?
The QSI, the all-time low for the QSI was 741. Now it's the all-time low. Now it's 895. All-time high was in March. I know it was in February this year, 2480 something.
Okay, let me look into it this afternoon, and I'll let you know. I'll have a little summary, because if it's a really, really cheap buy, we might as well scoop up a couple shares and just see what happens. If it's a good company.
Yeah.
All right, I'll take a look at it.
Buying from last week.
You say that one more time?
She's buying since last week.
Since
Just
last week.
confirmed.
Oh, so she's been scooping it up. We might get a reversal on it if it already hasn't started reversing because of that.
Yo.
It's already reversed.
It's already reversing. Okay.
Hey,
All time 41, now it's almost 9 at 95.
9. Okay. I'll
so
take a look at it though. I'll let you know what's up.
Okay, go on.
so we got an update on Sava. Jones trading on Kosovo following negative report on Tuesday. Negative analysis contains figures published 15 years ago. Articles brought into question were published in reputed journals with rigorous peer review process.
I don't understand.
So basically, here I'll show you what the I'll show you the headline. It's on my stream right here. So
Sava is fraud.
So it says Jones trading on Kosovo following negative report on Tuesday. They say basically negative analysis contains figures published with 15 years or figures published 15-year plus articles brought into question were published in reputed journal with rigorous peer review processes. So I guess like their article or their point of view is strong, is what they're saying, and the negative report is coming from old data. Contains figures published 15 plus years ago. Yeah, so the negative, so they're basically saying that the negative analysis is containing old data that isn't relevant anymore. If I'm understanding this correctly.
Yeah, that's what it sounds like.
Here, I'll post it in live trading just so you guys can read it with your own eyeballs. Listen, hey, solventless, just I obviously hindsight's 2020. When you find something like that, like an SPRT, where you see a lot of short, like whatever short flow looks like it could squeeze, well, you have to set up a position that you are okay with letting, like, you gotta let those run. I know that's hindsight's 2020, but it's like with SRPT, like if you're taking a bet on a setup that's based on like a potential squeeze, it's a gamble all in itself. So you have to be, just like with any gamble, you gotta like let it run its course in a way. So you found the setup, yeah, you did great. So take that win. I am watching Microsoft for sure. Yeah, we got Microsoft on watch today as well. So Sony actually is holding the 9 really well today. We could see the pop. We know where Qs are, guys. So I just want to keep that. Any tech stocks face also Snow, CRM, and Splunk all have, so data companies all have you have earnings. So you might see
Peloton as well. We have that this week.
Peloton.
Yeah.
Dude, the flow for Peloton should be real interesting the next couple of days.
Yeah, we have the Jackson Hole.
You have this music,
What music?
like kind of relaxing music or something.
Yeah, can you hear it?
I hear a little bit, yeah.
Thanks. I wrote it myself. No, I was kidding. I didn't. It helps me keep the pre-market jitters. So speaking of the pre-market jitters, today is not Ked. Trust your gut. You're going to be very, dude. I love it. I love it. Trust your gut. All right. We have weird setups coming. I think semiconductors pullback at first, but let's go ahead and get ready, guys. We have a gap to fill on them first. So AMD could chop around here. We'll watch. And we'll just react to the market. I think I saw Roblox moving up in pre-market though.
This picture Atlas posted. This guy, he just need little push with the leg. I'm wondering.
Oh no. There we go. Hey, look at Sony giving us a little juice here in the pre-market action, so let's go. Clover looks like a hot dog water. All right, those of you guys on YouTube. I will. I'm gonna be. I'm not gonna be able to really read the comments. Just throwing that out there. So I have the Discord up right here, but once I get my new monitor or my other monitor back from LG, then that'll be a little easier. But just FYI. So scalping is gonna happen here at the bell if it does. So. If I see the opportunity. Clove, I think we might have a dip by around 860.
Ding, ding, ding.
Oh,
All right, watching Nvidia. See those contracts just fly. Jeez Louise. Okay, semiconductor just took off. But don't let the first 5-minute candle close. These contracts are too expensive to get faked out on. Alright. Alright, Nvidia's trying, guys, but don't get faked out, alright?
I do going down Chinese, I think.
Yep, gap fill. Clover's going down hard too. But the IB isn't changing. Alright, Nvidia's trying. Yeah, but if you got Nvidia, great job, but I guess we're going. Hold on. Those are too expensive for me, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I mean, just to go heavy on Thursday contracts. Am I looking at the right chain right here? Oh, I'm looking at September 17th. Why is my chain not in the right place?
Oh,
Yeah, I'm looking at the 225 call. Or 220.50. I haven't taken it yet. I like AMD. Huh?
Zoom video.
Yeah, it's them.
There's no volume there. Not yet.
Micro vision as well.
Okay, gap and go. So wait for a pullback here. AMD or Nvidia. Shit, look at it go.
Rubio.
Yeah, I'm in.
Order filled.
I got a 225. I'm looking at AMD as well. It's really the only sector that has room to run like I'd like it to. So AMD breaks this HMA 109.30 and I think we'll see a 110.
Order filled.
Alright, I'm in a 110 as well next week. I'm in Nvidia as well, but just a 225 kind of runner here. What's going on with the Dow? Not sure. I'll take a look at it here. What the fuck is that? Microsoft 304.64. Watch that one. That's a crazy looking wick right there.
DKNG.
Fuck. There we go. Hey, I know someone on YouTube asked me about Riot. I'm on the money. I was on the money with that bounce. So your target is 37.85. So watch it there. Alright, a little bit of a rejection here on the video. They hit the 221.20. Let's see if it's got more juice. I think it's got more juice. There we go. Strong
I
move
grabbed
on.
the 58 on DraftKings.
Okay.
I'm gonna add.
Alright, good volume on the video here, guys. Good volume. Let's see, let's get this push here. Alright, 221.40 here on the video. You
Adding
guys,
to DKNG.
oh wow, let's go Nvidia. Alright, changing my attention to everything Nvidia now.
Hey guys, how's Facebook look? I can't watch charts right now. Yes.
Probably, it looks like it's going up. It's trying to go further.
They just got news saying that they were going to be adding additional features to Facebook Messenger, such as cash gifts and sound emojis.
Let's go! Let's go, Nvidia! Sorry. AMD lagging behind.
Keep Facebook on watch because it might continue to go.
Penn and DKNG are both going.
It sounds like they're going to try to make some kind of platform out of Messenger where they transform Messenger into something to where cash gifts can be given through Messenger. So it almost sounds like a modified OnlyFans or a modified something. I don't know, maybe a modified Patreon, but Facebook instead of Patreon.
All right, we're up against that high, guys. So this is where we either double top or we break into all-time high or into new highs for Nvidia, at least for this time frame. So watching Nvidia here, guys, real tight. Fingers on the trigger. Let's see if we can get this new high here. 22 minutes and 50 seconds left in this hourly candle for Nvidia. I want you guys to notice that I have multiple time frames up on my chart. Sony is just sitting there, guys. I'm going to set an alert on that 9-day moving average and leave it at that. All right, we're doing good. Okay, doing good so far. Clove, I'm just hanging on to.
MVIS running.
All right, did we double top here? Yo, what? Sorry. Oh, you guys got DK and G? Nice. Alright, Clove is likely gonna dump, I think, here. 222. Alright, let's watch. Come on, Nvidia. Come on, Nvidia.
I took profit on AMC and Clove. I just left like a couple runners and that's it.
Alright, that's all I got left on Clove. I was just hoping to pull some tindies out of that one.
I grabbed the 80 for
there
next
did
week on
not sound
Penn.
like you said 10 Ds. It sounded something completely different.
Wow.
Sorry.
Yes, baby. Hold on. There we go. Nvidia new highs, baby. Money. All right, Clove. I guess you're. You broke in. Oh my God, Ellie. How did you do that? You're not supposed to be open at the door.
Yeah.
Yeah. All right. Feel free. There's Facebook. Call 220-250. Call for 827 on the video here. $2.14 million into that call. Hey, we gotta be quiet. Shh.
I don't want to.
Yeah, that's your brother.
B. Papa, Daddy, Papa.
Yo, Facebook is gassing. Wow, look at that.
DKNG higher day.
Yeah, AMD's got a break here, guys. Or AMD actually has an interesting setup here. We're at that $22 price mark here, guys. If we reject on Nvidia, straight up, if we reject, guys, I can't imagine that we could see continuation from here. So.
Papa, Daddy.
No, you can't have my phone right now, baby.
Papa.
Hey, it's broken. Yeah, no, it's not working. Nice job, Joseph. You made $1,800 and you're done with the day, dude. Amazing. Sniper AI coming in on where was that at? Hold on a second.
Wait,
AMD, $110 calls for AMD. What? Alright, guys. Yeah, her voice is so cute. Alright, I need to see buyers step up here on the video just like that. I need them to step up. I need them to push this into new highs. This is the 1 minute time frame I'm watching here. Oh, there we go, baby. Buyers are in today on the video. So
Yo, TSM going crazy.
that's great. That's amazing. Alright.
Tesla.
Come on, Nvidia. Give me 225, baby. Because that's the contract that I bought. I actually have on the small account, guys, that 210 for AMD. So, hold on one second.
Square moving up.
New highs on the video. Let's go. Let's go. Volume is letting me know that it's okay to hold. Let's go, baby. 220, 250. Yeah.
Yo, look at that volume on DKNG.
Can't even see it right now. Sony, guys, holding up. I'm still looking at it. C3 AI. Woo! Let's go. Gas in the video. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, AMD going too. All right, the goal for the small account. Oh, look at Clove bouncing. Nice job. Fuck off. 16 minutes left in this hourly candle for Nvidia. Don't you fucking dare. That's a super bullish candle. This thing would absolutely have to reverse down to like, just completely reverse on me. So I think we're staying bullish. Anybody still in Sony? I got my finger on the trigger on that one, but we're holding up okay.
Did anyone check microvision?
I don't-
We hit high of day.
I do not have the multitasking ability to tweet shit and play.
What? 46? Ah, 6.
Yeah, $6 average. Nice.
He wrote 46 now. So what the?
Come on, AMD. That's not good. Guys, we're gonna reverse. This isn't, that's not good. Yep, that's what I was, fuck. That's not good. Yeah, I don't like those wicks on AMD. I'm cutting AMD.
Order filled.
Okay.
I got cloves still though. Sorry.
Guys, keep an eye on MVAX. Anyone who plays MVAX, just keep an eye on him.
Guys.
Call of Flow for Wish.
Oh my
$8
god.
and $7 this week.
I'm currently trading on YouTube. Alright, semiconductor ETF is getting close to pulling back here, guys. Yep, I think we go but pull back, guys. That might be the cut.
Pen is moving straight up.
Really? Dude, I had a what about G-Nog?
I'm not looking at it, but I got the 80 call for Pen next week.
Nice. Sony at 104.60, guys. This is going for a daily break.
Excuse me.
All right, Nvidia is fighting hard, so I'm gonna stick with it, but I don't like this pullback. Yeah, I don't like it, guys. Nvidia to hold it. Oh shit! Look at this. Look at Nvidia holding a divergence from its ETF. That's relative strength, baby. I still have I have that one. I just don't have I just cut AMD. Got it. Fuck. All right, watching a video to go to for high day here. I'm watching this one like a hawk. I'm about to walk out of the room right now, though.
The Pen is insane.
I don't want to look at it because I can tell how excited you are.
I mean, I just grabbed the 80 call, so I mean, I'm only up, $30, but that's like 35%.
You want me to get in? Should I get in? Oh, that's a triple bottom off the daily. Yuck. Holy shit. Let's go, dude. Yeah. Okay. You said Pen next week. Yeah, we're up on Nvidia. I cut AMD because I couldn't manage that. It was showing weakness in comparison. In fact, look at Nvidia and look at AMD and show me what you think. Or tell me what you think. I'm out.
Of Nvidia?
No, AMD. Look at Nvidia. Look.
Yeah.
You could take it and hold it and see if it goes, but I'm good. I am Gucci. Sony juicing? Yes. You guys know that I used to own an organic fruit and vegetable distribution service called OG Organics, and most people thought that I sold weed. Fun fact.
All right. So, oh my god. Oh, so what is this? The good kind. The good kind. Yo, let's go to Nvidia! Sorry, I hate yelling. But it's just so natural. Alright, there's AMD, of course.
Dash. Starbucks. Yo, Starbucks. Hold on, let's go look at Starbucks. Hey, eyes on Starbuckians. Oh boy, Starbucks guys, Starbucks. Starbucks pre 116. Watch Star. Oh shit! Hold on one second. Let's go look at Starbucks, guys. If you're in on, oh my God, Nvidia, let's go! Oh, glasses up for Nvidia. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Also, Clove is holding up really well. My option runner is doing great.
That MVIS yesterday, did you take it?
Me?
Yes.
No, I didn't. Yes, you. No, I didn't. I didn't take it.
In the store in September. It's up like 25%.
Jeez Louise. Wait, where's Microsoft? Did it reject? Oh, God, SMH. Come on.
Don't tell me you guys slept on Facebook.
I'm too preoccupied with Nvidia, dude. I watched it though until I couldn't anymore. Funko?
Hell yeah, Snee, that's what's up. Glad you caught it.
Hey, oh Georgie, watch Funko here. I think it might actually be gassed out. Yeah, it already ran, dude. That's why we pay attention to insider buying, guys. Because look at Funko, just ran from. Yeah, Funko's about to rip. I'm gonna buy more. I'd rather buy shares. Fuck.
At last, remember that things
Yo! Holy
What,
shit! Look at it.
that I told you about last time?
Yeah, I do. Oh my God, yes, you saw them yesterday.
Funko
Right?
today. Funko today.
Was
I
it today or
posted
this
it
morning?
This morning, I posted the picture.
2250s are 70
Hilarious,
bucks.
bro.
But I'm not. Holy shit, man! Funko is going. Dang, big green cucumber there.
It's Georgie.
Jesus Christ!
You see? I tagged you. Those are the
It's
pictures.
Georgie.
Holy shit, dude. That's lit.
Yeah, Star Wars Funko.
SSSS? What the hell? That sounds weird.
No Game of Thrones Funko. That's what it is.
Um,
Wow.
Yo, I've got diamond hands on Nvidia. You know, you guys want to know why I'm holding Nvidia right now? Because I'm watching the hourly, and the hourly is a whole lot less scary than watching the daily, or watching the 5 minute. I am watching the 1 minute, or the 1 minute as well, but I ain't even scared.
wow. Facebook, yeah. Give me the 370, please. Facebook. Please.
Is
Yeah,
Builder
yeah,
running?
yeah.
Let's go, DKNG.
Where?
How's Penn doing?
Penn's doing good.
Okay. YouTube, how y'all doing?
Did anyone take Invax with me? Austin, did you take it? Bro, we are up a lot. Almost $10 per share.
That's pretty good.
Go DKNG, baby.
Bro, why is Betsy DeVos trending? It should be that she's completely retired and never is going to work for our education system in ever.
Yeah, okay, yeah. And Nvidia 225 calls coming in for this week.
Yes, sir.
What?
Nice lady, Gara.
There is 250.
Go.
Oh my god, let's go.
Oh.
Fuck yeah, let's go, dude. Let's go. Woo!
Oh.
Let's go, dude. Wow. Wow. Let's go. I'm sorry, I'm gassed up right now, guys. Let's go. Too much coffee. More tendies. Green Day again. If we TP here soon. Dude, AMD is struggling. These wicks on AMD are disgusting.
Don
AMD.
is making Pentagon is making Pfizer vaccine mandatory for all U.S. government, U.S. military employees and Department of Defense employees.
Yeah, I'm telling everybody that it'd be a whole lot easier if you offer obstacle courses with your friends, like blow darts. Like if you offer people a fun alternative to vaccination, like a blow dart obstacle course, I think a lot more people would sign up. That's just my opinion. You
Just
sound insane. Yo, we'll have to see. Christine said okay. Oh my god, Georgie with the microvision gas, dude.
I took profit on DKNG, 60%. Microsoft is selling off.
Perfect. That's exactly what we talked about yesterday. That's what we need. Yes, perfect. Damn it, I should have. Fuck, God, I listened to myself. Yeah, all right, TP, getting ready to get rid of Nvidia, dude. What the fuck? Let's go.
Yeah, same. I got like 50% on Nvidia.
I'm up 61% on that one. So.
Nice.
I think we might be able to get in the money on that one. I have a feeling FOMO may set in at some point, but. Hey, I just want to say this as well. I tried to state my AMD exit this morning for a good reason, right? I can't manage both. I'm in heavy on Nvidia. I need to stay focused on Nvidia. So that's what I'm doing. So if you guys wondered why I cut AMD, I didn't like the wicks. I still don't think that was an awesome setup at all. That was disgusting. AMD only wants one thing, and it's disgusting. And it's to wick and fake you out. So I just chose the stronger of the two, and I just ran with that one. And so far, that one paid a lot more than AMD has. So if Upstart's a printer, then I'm still riding my John Deere, as long as it's sexy.
Up 30% on. If anyone took that firm play with me yesterday for November.
The 100.
Alright, taking profit on Nvidia.
I think we hit 225. I think we're about to get a big green dingus here.
Alright. Still taking profit.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Yeah, I'm in Penn and a firm, but these are next week and then November, so good day.
You're right. It might be a good time to TP.
See that
30-minute workday.
Hold on, guys. Yeah, I'll tell you this. Yeah, Christina, don't play Sava. Just stay away from it.
Hey, TCAT. Also, if you guys are in Sony still, we haven't cut it. Never hit our stop loss. That one's looking good. TCAT taking off here. Hot dog. Watch TCAT.
Firm is gassing crazy.
Damn, dude, I looked at that last night. Fuck.
I think Astro. Did you take a firm with me? I saw him talking about it yesterday. Nvidia.
All right, guys, fingers on the trigger. 65%, 64% on this contract right here. No, I don't like it. Sellers are here. And they're at that 224.25 level. Bounce off 223.67.
Thanks, Kenneth.
Just take the
I added a 115 strike to a firm, same expiration November.
Yeah, I see Jimmy high of day almost. Jimmy is running garage.
Shit. Baby, come back.
Yeah.
Oh, God. Oh, it's broken down trend, Georgie.
It's okay. Those leaves, they are up, yeah?
Yeah. I have them. They've done nothing.
All right.
Nothing.
My leaps on Jamia.
Me, I have leads to Jamia.
Hey, look at that. Sorry, Atlas. Look at that bounce on Microsoft, dude. Tell me that doesn't scream one of the V shapes that it likes to do.
Look, Jamia volume.
Where's Nvidia?
Look at Jamia volume, Garrett.
Oh my god.
You still in the video, Garrett?
I am.
Nice. There it goes. There it goes.
Whee! Let's go. Come on, just ripperoni, dude. Wait for this 5-minute candle to close. We got 8 seconds in this 5-minute candle. Alright, I'm getting a little worried, actually. I don't like this. It should be making a new high. Alright, fingers on the trigger, guys. Fingers on the trigger. Yeah, look at that. Look at that. I was right. Mm-hmm. Hold on.
Don't let the prophet be loser. The prophet is not the prophet until you take it. Do whatever you want.
Yep. Okay.
Okay, Nvidia 225 bot for September 17, 250k.
Okay. I like that wick right there off the 2230. All right, here we go. Do we get 225 out of this now?
As long as keys don't dump. Nvidia looks
Hey, Slith.
There we go.
SMH though is looking a little bit better than the Qs. Semiconductor sector needs to bounce here right now. 267.28. Why didn't
be working up?
Why didn't I take my little freaking play on?
No, it was nice for AMD. For not AMD, for RBLX.
Hmm?
The 157 pounds. 157 something. Did ROKU bounce here? None. ROKU is being like.
All right, I'm not liking this top here on Nvidia at the moment.
The 1 minute.
Yeah, I am watching the 1 minute, so it's not helping.
Yeah.
There's Airbnb.
Look at the hourly though, man. Could you imagine stopping here, dude? I feel like Nvidia could just go ham bony from this point.
Look at the Airbnb.
Yeah, bud.
Because if you're in heavy on shears, I would be out and grab like a long put play too, just to hedge myself.
I grabbed some Airbnb shares too for long term.
Nice.
I grabbed them at like 150, Georgie. So not I mean it was like last week.
Okay.
Okay. All right, Nvidia. All right. You want to play games? Let's go. Let's play games. Let's go ahead. My finger's on the trigger. Can't stop me. Microsoft going to the downside again. Watch that one to 300. Not so fast, Nvidia.
Order filled.
Son of a bitch. I sold it.
Jimmy, I may be going to.
I accidentally sold it. Oops. Whatever. It's still profits. I'll re-enter. Good trade, guys. That was sick. I had fun.
AMC catching some volume.
Oh, yeah, AMD or Nvidia is likely gonna go again. Doesn't matter though. It's in the past. Actually, it's probably in the future, but
yeah, actually, the banks are running. Wells Fargo, Bank of America, yeah, GS. Okay, yes.
thank you. Yeah, nice play on Nvidia.
Leave it
Thank you.
yours. The banks are running. Yeah, keep an eye on the banks.
Papa, let's go, dude. I'm about to hire somebody. Who does video editing here? Roblox. Is that what you're trying to say? Yep.
No,
No.
just keep an eye on the BA.
Oh, BA. John brought up Roblox just now.
Okay, Roblox. Then there is something.
I grabbed a 172.50 call weekly on Airbnb for $30, and I'm just gonna let this sit for the rest of the week.
Guys, I think the video might go and rip. I'm gonna have major fucking FOMO here in about 25 seconds if this thing does. Huh?
No, sorry. I said I was gonna say I heard the words $30, AMV, say less. I'm good there.
All right, actually, I think the video may pull back to its 9, which is fine because it could be offer a good dip buy. Slith, how you been, dude?
Been good because stuck at work, you know. Still here.
Can we all buy JFU? That was a good play though, for real on the video, guys. We held that to the top. At least the temporary top. Watch for the bounce to happen here off of the 5-minute EMA on the 9 or the 9-day EMA on the semiconductor ETF. Please someone LYV. What is that one? Is that the
Nordstorm.
Nordstorm?
Nordstorm. However.
No, LYV is Live Nation
Live Nation.
Media. I don't know what the hell. I don't know what that is.
A lot of flow had today. I don't know anything about, but they had a lot of flow.
They do concerts, like all the major artists book through Live Nation.
Wait, what? Dude, doesn't. Hold on a second. My homie works for them. Hold on a second. Let me call my homie. Dude, my homie works for them. I know a dude who works for Kendrick Lamar.
Oh, okay.
And like a bunch of stars.
Okay. Yeah.
Hold on a second. Hold on.
Yeah, Live Nation books like all the major concerts.
That's
they do a lot more too. But yeah.
I know a partner. He does the lighting for I think it's for Live Nation. He does all their lighting.
Oh, sick.
Woo! What a TP on the video, baby. Sorry, that was a good TP though. It just pulled back, so. Alright, I just drank a whole giant. Can I get a hoo-ya? That plane video, dude, is so bad. This guy, this like 40-year-old dude, is like on a plane. No offense, I'll be 40 one day too, but he's like just on a small plane, and he's like, "Can I get a hoo-ya?" And nobody says anything. Where do I see Funko going? I saw that on my high day scanner on Benzinga. But I also knew that Funko could possibly rip today because of insider selling and buying that happened. Also, watch Funko right now to go for a wick fill to 2070.
Watch, I think this is halted. LWAC. It ran like in the pre-market from around 11:30 to 69.
Wow.
Now it's at 27, and I think it's halted. Yeah, it's halted. LWAC.
What is Georgie, Senstech? SENES?
What? SEN?
No, sorry, I confused the fuck out of myself just there. SNES. Yeah.
Yeah, that one's running.
If you look on the daily, it's not. Oh man, what a great TP! A good TP, guys. Slith. Okay, I'll keep that in mind. I'm watching for the 222 bounce on the video.
Affirm.
Yeah, doggy. What's up with a firm, Jordan? You see flow?
Yeah, $80 call for September 17th. 140K.
Yo, cinnamon apple. What?
They're up 42% on your firm swing from my channel from yesterday.
Nice, bro.
Me? I'm dying over here looking at cinnamon apple. There's a comment right there.
Cinnamon apple.
That man said, I have yet to reach day 674. I have yet to achieve Garrett's level. A young trade. I will now commit to celibacy until I do. That's honorable. That's, I would agree with BT. Don't put yourself through that, though. All right, Nvidia here. Watch Nvidia for a bounce. You're getting a bounce off of that 9 on the 5 minute right here. Nvidia above 223.75. Watch this one potentially.
TSM high of day, yeah, just about high of day.
TSM is Chinese, isn't it?
Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company. So I guess it's Taiwan.
Yes.
Kind of China.
Kind of China.
Yeah.
Taiwan is not China.
Oh yeah. What is it? Hong Kong? Yeah, that's the one that's.
Taiwan is Taiwan. It's country by
Yeah. All right.
Okay, Nvidia. I'm gonna add a Nvidia here. 225. 225. Nvidia. Sorry, excuse me. Yuck. Just one. Just one. I'll add at 220. Okay, there we go. Hey, yuck.
ADTX. Look at it or watch it. Don't chase it. ADTX.
Beautiful bounce off that 9-day moving average. 225 strike here. Van Nectar ETF bouncing right off of that moving, or that VWAP. Juan. ADTX? ADTX?
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. Is that the one you've been yelling about?
Yes.
Do I have a hearing problem?
Yes. EU will discuss Thursday reimbursing travel restriction in US.
Where do I see Funko going? I see Funko in the $22 range, but I also like that one for a hold.
Yeah, watch the airline to pull back as the EU is discussing on Thursday to reimpose travel restriction in US.
Guys, anybody in Nvidia? Sorry, Georgie. I don't know if anybody took that entry with me, but oh, yuck. Great job. Great job.
Yeah,
Great.
I heard Delta Airlines to impose a
Let's.
big fine for employees who are not vaccinated.
God damn them. Fuck yeah. Sorry, excuse my language. Try not to cuss right now.
Despite 31st of December 2021, 480 call unusual well.
Adding. At this next high, 224.50. 224.50 adding. Not there yet. That was a good speculative entry right there. 1 minute and 32 seconds left until this 5-minute candle closes, so I'm okay with it stopping here. Rejection, not okay with. A rejection is going to happen at 223.50. Why'd you get FOMO, dude? You should have entered with me, Slippy. Slithopotamus. I don't know, just making up names now. But for real, dude, it's still good to potentially re-enter or entry. It's only the 1 minute here above 220, above high a day, 224.50.
kind of struggling with that level to clear it.
It is, yeah. It's got 46 seconds. If it does reject here, it's all good. I'll be out in a jiffy. I think I've asked like 9 times. I'm not sure. Anybody in Sony? Sony's? S-O-N-Y? Okay, guys, that's 40 bucks right there. I'm down 40. I just entered a contract. Haven't got to that add point. This is the bounce point. Let's see if we get a wick. If we don't, and we close below 223.50, there it is. And what are we gonna do? What is setting up here? Active charting. We're gonna chart this live. Rather than exit and get scared, we're gonna figure out what's going on. All right, that's what's going on. Okay, does it extend itself? That's a good question. Sorry guys, I'm talking to myself. Okay, so we are containing a bilateral pattern here. 223.78, so we need to get back above for a breakout. The 5 minute is showing strength by holding on to that 9-day moving average regardless of that wick. So I think this is still good to hold. You got a baby?
Gonna hop off.
All right, man.
Peace
Thanks for all your help, dude. Good job this morning.
Yes, sir.
Crushed
Thank
it.
you. You too, buddy.
All right, man. Have a good day.
Peace.
Yeah,
Peace.
man.
Peace.
$70 puts coming in on Sava. It'd be cool if Dim could play that to the up and then the downside too. Just short it. Baby high yuck. You know what? I'm gonna have to change it to high yuck though with HI for copyright infringement. Wait, could I sell that as an NFT? As an NFT audio byte? Hold on, I'll be right back, guys. I'm just kidding.
Check the NFT.
In 0.3 seconds. What a petty stonk pod, dude. You'll give me 20 cents for your audio, Hiyuk. I'm gonna sell it with shirts. I'm gonna start printing Hiyuk. I'm not even gonna print. I think I'm gonna get Hiyuk shirts embroidered.
SPY is going to make a new all-time high today.
Okay, guy. Oh, is it really? Let's go. Okay.
It's not that far.
Oh shit! Look at it go. This is wild. You know where that all-time high is gonna be, Georgie? 448.95, somewhere in that range. DDD. Is anybody in Nvidia? Anybody in Nvidia? I held on.
Anybody in impact? Yeah.
Okay. All right. Good to go. I'm in with you guys. So let's get this break of high a day. Well, I'll add 223 right here.
You got in your mobile. Invax high there, yeah.
Alta for earnings, Nimish, Bahat. I'm gonna not do that. We may be able to look at a straddle, but no. All right, I'm gonna let you guys know. All right, I'm getting ready to add a contract here to Nvidia 225. I'm gonna go ahead and buy one. I'm gonna buy one. I'm buying a Nvidia contract here. I'll take the L. Okay, I'm in.
Got to look at Invax.
258 index, got it. Oh, that's Nvidia again. Oh shit. Damn, right off the 200-day EMA, y'all. Go to the hourly and just set alerts on all your favorite stocks 200 EMA. All right, guys, I'm in Nvidia. All right, here we go. Scoot up to your desk. All right, we could get one more rejection. One more rejection, 223.48. 220, really, yeah, 223.40 at the most. If it rejects, guys, and closes below that, I'll take the L.
By the way, I see a lot of calls for Comcast as well today.
Comcast?
Yeah. CSA.
I'm not going to pay my bill. See what happens to those calls. Ugh. I'm just kidding. Okay. There we go.
This is the moment of truth.
Let's go! Sorry.
Broke it.
Now push it and break it. Don't make me look like a stupid. Push it and break it.
But you want the truth, Garrett?
Mm-hmm. Always.
Watch out. The volume is decreasing on Nvidia.
That is facts. Thank you for pointing that out. Yes, it is. Okay. Okay. Scalping this. 225. Come on, Nvidia. You got this. You got the fucking juice. Nope. I know what it's building. Nope. I know if you stop here, I know exactly what you're about to build. Don't do it to us, market makers. Don't do it. All right, they're trying us. All right, here we go. Moment of truth. Buyers don't like that 224.70 yet. They're gonna build a rising wedge.
Okay, Nvidia back above 20.
Yeah.
Sorry, not Nvidia, Jimia.
Jimmy, where's that at? Shit, look at that. What is Clover doing? Jesus. Nice job, Sava. Mobo with Sava. Yep. Did I finish my coffee? No. There you go.
Mobile playing with the fire, so
Yes, goodbye. I use screeners depending on what I'm looking for. It can change every day.
did anyone take the airline to the downside of that EU news? If so, you are making money.
Alright, we're in a tight spot with Nvidia here, guys. I'll let you guys know exactly what I do here. It won't be for a bad loss at all. You guys should be break even or at where you're at. Yeah. Sony, by the way, if anybody took Sony, you guys are up. You guys are green. Let that go in the money. If it's gonna go, it's gonna go. It's gonna go in the money. So watch 105. Great job. Alright, exit strategy here. Here it comes. We want to see the support held. So 223.60. Six minutes and 17 seconds. Okay, yep, I got it. I got what we're building on the ETF.
Yesterday I tagged Atlas and I don't know if someone saw it. RGC. You remember that, Garrett? or not?
Yeah.
RBC.
I do remember RGC, yes.
It's at 36.15.
Yeah, watch Tesla, especially over 717.25. Roblox, watch Roblox here. Roblox to $90.87 above this high of day. Okay, I will very easily flip the script on Nvidia here. I'm down a little bit here. Puts 225.50s. No, I'm not going to take those either. Hold on, 225.90. You would pull back to 222.30. So yeah, actually I will. 222.50s are at 225 here. All right, fingers on the trigger for Nvidia, guys, to cut. I'll let you guys know where I cut. All right, I am out now.
You're done from
At this, well, I wanted to bounce here. I haven't gotten filled. I just canceled my order. I needed to bounce here. If it bounces here, then it doesn't look like it's going to, though. All right. Yep.
I could be wrong, but I see it going to 220, 221.
I kind of want to short it below 222.91.
Bingo. Right there. Weird I didn't see any flow on Beaton today.
Yeah, that's why I only bought a little bit of shares of CPOP. All right, hold on, guys.
Oh, MBIS broke. It's being.
All right, now Nvidia 224.38. If we get there, I'm gonna cut at 224.87. 3 minutes left in this 15-minute. Look at that little shit. Okay, look at it. Watch Nvidia to pop here. This is its last chance, or I'm out. So here, let's get above 224.25. Yeah, you can cut CPOP. I literally grabbed a few shares. I didn't grab a lot. But I'm debating holding it, seeing how far it's fallen from where it ran up immediately. So. Come on, Sony. Watch Clove here. Clove looks crazy. Yeah, I was waiting for that morning flush out. I never got it today.
If anyone indeed, you just be careful about positions if you are in share, if you are this. I see some kind of like concerns from UK about DT, about the data privacy and storage.
Hmm.
It just came out. UK officials voiced concern to DT over data and privacy and over data privacy and storage.
I see that. All right, I'm out of Nvidia, guys.
Okay, microvision high there on BIS.
I would highly recommend, if you have a small account, to only take about 1 to 2 trades a day and be like no chasing. But also, I like short-term swings for small accounts to build them up. And then most of the time, people will build them up with small short-term swings and then lose them all day trading weeklies. That's like probably about 80% of the people that I see that are new. Is they'll do good and then they'll realize that they have BP to scalp, and then they'll lose everything. So.
Usually the new trader, they shouldn't play weeklies.
Yeah, you can literally scalp with next week's contracts and be able to cut without losing as much money. You're not going to make as much, but don't let that deter you. You're still going to make good money. Watch Clover to run to 893 here. It's in this channel.
I still have Clover, I think. Do I? Yeah, I do. Hell yeah, I'm up 112% on that still. I learned better position sizing the hard way. Unfortunately, we do. Why did I just get a plug? Plug alert. Oh shit, plug. Oh shit, plug. Plug over 2650. Take a 27 or I think 28 next week. $28 call. Wow, look at that. Look at plug running up to it. I wouldn't take it above 2650. It's a little bit late now. Those of you who, I'm not going to short this, but Nvidia could end up running down below this 50 EMA for a retest of 221.65, like Georgie was saying. So watch the downside here. Damn, Q's. What did I say, man? Yesterday we were gonna have some chop fest, and so far, that is the name of today's game. Sony is being a little Vegas, dude. Yeah, that's a rejection, my friends. That's a cold-hearted rejection off of 105. Want to take a look at Jamia? Always. Yeah, that one should go to 2070. Upstart's looking for a bounce. Watch Upstart, guys. Clover's trying to go for 9. I could see Jamia. I mean, it's at a major rebound level, so I could see Jamia even retesting $24. Yes, 21 could happen, just off of a simple bounce. I think you'd want to break over. Yeah, I think it could happen. Your volume's good. I think once it does decide to get shorted, it's going to get shorted hard. So just be watching that volume. Alright, I'm not going to try the video anymore for the rest of the day. I think I'm done with it. That was fun though. Watch it for another. It actually, I know this sounds absolutely nuts, but it actually could still go. Like, it really, really could. I'm looking at this setup right now, and usually 3 bounces of support, 3 rejections of resistance. We're at 2 rejections of resistance, so 224, 60, 70, somewhere in there. But I'm happy, guys, with the gains that we got today, dude. We crushed it. We crushed it. So, yep. Look at Clover. Just hit my price target, 892. Let's see what happens.
You still have any of GNOG?
GNOG?
Yeah.
I have long-term shares on GNOG in my long-term account.
Okay.
I took a
You didn't
leap.
cut after the last time jump.
What do I think of it?
You didn't cut anything after the last time it jumped?
Yeah, I only have 15% left of the original position, so everything else is paid for.
They're down to 21.37 now. It's good.
Yeah. Wow, Jamia. Hey guys, yeah, it's just trying to push. Nvidia is not to be slept on, guys. Look at the hourly time frame if you need an idea of what this looks like. Clover, guys, Clover. Watch Clover. Just broke the channel. Clover. I have a $9 call. I'm not adding anything to this. I may add equity for a scalp, but I'm good to let that run. Let's go.
Yeah, man, AMC volume.
Whew! Upstart, guys. Upstart going for high of day. Jamia popping off. GNOG popping off. Q's dumping.
I see like kind of the penny stocks going, so the micro cap, the small caps, they are going.
What's IWM looking like right now?
I see.
Oh, it broke. Guys, it broke.
It just broke downtrend. Oh, and it bounced off of that 9. Oh my god, dude.
That's why.
We
That's
are,
why.
yeah, we're going to 224, y'all. No, Snee, I'm leaving Upstart to you, brother. You're the Upstart guy right now. But if you caught that one for sure, dude. Nice job. Fuck, excuse me. Stupid ass Clove. Go above $9 right now. Now. Do it. There we go.
Because I'll be back.
Wow, Upstart looks great to go to 224. Mike. Poop.
Leave it next time.
That's awesome, dude. Oh, it's going. There it is. Nice job, Snee. Nice, man. Riot, yo. Those whoever asked me about Riot, yo. I look at what I marked. Right, I put a potential rejection here, but look at what that. You asked me this morning. I knew we were going to go test that, so we broke it. Good job. Clover is now at 9:05. Look at this call gassing right now, dude. Oh my god, I'm going to let this run. I'm so glad that I swung that Clover call. This shit is overstimulating. TX taking a downside soon. Yeah, for sure. Keep it 1K. Just don't really believe that kind of stuff. But. Game 219.75, Clover 907, dude. We're pumping here, guys. I bought this contract at $16. It's making good gas right now. Jamia 2050. Yeah, small caps. Watch Roblox too. Might pop. That's Upstart for you. Sava making a new high.
Sava 88 call for this weekend, and like 10 minutes ago, it's 655.
You know, that company you were just talking about, Demont or DePoint, DD, like they're just sitting there. Chilling. A well-organized dishwasher is something else. Get out of here.
Yeah. Yeah, back, bro, yeah? Okay. Where I go? Yeah.
Oh, that's typical. Rocket cucumber. Yeah, you can catch me somewhere else with that rocket. You either in rocket or you're not. Can't catch a rocket when it's going. I'm done. Could go to 1834, but it moves in cents, so I don't know if I would take that. DuPont is going for new highs, though. GTE, what is this? Grand Terra Energy? Kick ass. shit, Clove. Wow, DD just pushed really hard. Damn, fake breakout on. AMD Friday 110 calls coming in. September 17th 109 calls. I think they're expecting a bounce here. Wow, what a reversal on AMD. Clove 10. Farshid, I think that's Farshid. Nvidia 225 October 15th has a lot of time behind it. So if in between now, if you still have that, I'm scalping, so I'm using weeklies, but you're always welcome to, like I guess, use weeklies to hedge yourself if you're that long. So. Sophie. I sure hope so. I'm in Clove. So I don't like how it wicked up and hit 911, but AKA double topped. All right, one second. I'm gonna step out for just a second. Maybe Clove will rip when that happens. Write down any stocks you guys are watching, and I will take a look at it. Hopefully you guys are green today. I really hope you guys did well today. I hope you guys are able to keep the streak going so far. So, great job, Mobo. Mobo, killing it, man. Really, like, mad proud of you, dude. You're fucking crushing all things. You're policing the stock market. All right, I'll be right back. Everything's still on. I'm not liking Clover here, guys. I'll be honest with you. It needs to climb above 9, period. Yep, there's Clove. All right, I'll be right back. 1 second. What's up? All right. Check out Keep It 1K.
moment. got? Company-wide Nvidia GPU restock tonight, 12 a.m. 17 day. Is that for real? Q's bouncing. I'm not taking that. Hold on. Why can't I see that comment? That's weird. For shit, okay, beautiful. Good, good. Oh, yo, AMD could consolidate here, but wow, what a rejection, yeah. That's downside for sure. I'm about to sell Clover, man. I don't want to, because I feel like that's one of those situations where I may regret it. On AMD, 106.40. You guys can cut Sony if you want. I don't know if it's going to go for it, guys. Right when I say I'm going to cut Clover, it bounces. FCRX just crossed a new high. Guru. Forget about that one. That's funny as hell. Is Bugsy in our group? I don't know if he is, but this dude on Twitter made me laugh. I don't know if you're looking at my screen, but Will Mead, did you guys see Will Mead's tweet this morning? He liked my tweet. He knows who I am. Oh, God. I'm just kidding. It's not that big of a deal. No, he said, what did he say? Yeah, he said offenses in college and pro football are out of control. Why doesn't anybody run the 5-2-4 defense? It's a perfect D to stop pass heavy offense, and QBs hate inside pressure. You put two fastest edge rushers wide, and then put your fastest interior D lineman inside. And I was like, because you can just run draws. It's like that's immediately what I thought, because I don't know, it just made sense. But wait, Chirp doesn't have a Twitter? That sucks. Could I look at Coin? Yeah, for sure. Oof. That looks fucking terrible. Yeah, Q's just rejected their 9-day moving average. Coin. Oh, wow. Coin's trying to break out of a base right now, John. So, base here. Let's go look at this on a bigger screen.
It's 11 o'clock.
Riot. Hey, guys, Riot's and Coin. Yeah, so Riot and Coin are breaking out. Okay, so... They said, have I charted wait, he said what? Yeah, the 5-2-4 defense. I mean, you have it,
I guess that's one of the defenses I see ran against like pass heavy. But TCAT, is anybody in TCAT? TCAT is ripping right now. Anybody buy TCAT with us yesterday? 7. I think we had like the same fills yesterday. Coin right now, just looking at the 4 hour, I think that a push up to 264, 265 level is not too far fetched. Riot and everything is breaking out. Let's see, where's Bitcoin at? That's because Bitcoin is retesting downtrend. So one thing you could look for as like a ETF in a way is a break in downtrend. So run this off of the high. So I would expect Bitcoin over 49, or excuse me, over 486.85. Financials. Yo, I said Citigroup last night and I didn't do it. That one had a perfect inverse head and shoulders. Yeah, Clove is a hope. Oh shit. All right. All right, so Coinbase, John just retested its breakout level, and it looks like it's going for that wick fill to 265. Potentially. If you're going to go out that long, that needs to, your contract needs to go long too. Let's see, AMD bounced off that level. Clove isn't doing anything. Clove is about to break its little trend line and move to the downside off of a bear flag here. See it? See that trend right there? It's about to break. You could you might see Clove drop here.
Order filled.
Yeah, watch Nvidia. Nvidia bounced off that 50-day EMA here. 224. Are you kidding me? Wow. AI is trying to break 50. I see a lot of, that's actually not bad. You'd rather see it not breaking, but it going lower. Yo, Clover, I just laughed at myself, dude. I sold Clover just now. Sundial is pushing, yeah. Clove's calls were pretty inflated this morning. That's an impressive Nvidia bounce, but watch the volume. That's going to tell us whether we're going to really move or not. By the way, for those of you who follow the TikTok, we just hit 20,000 followers. So I really appreciate that. That's pretty cool. Appreciate you. All right, let's go see what we got going on. So Clover is popping back up.
Order rejected.
Oh, yep, you can't close it. You got to close your position first.
Order rejected.
Okay. Oh, that's why. Here, let me switch this.
Watch Nvidia 224 right here. AMC. Sorry, I gotta close this position really quick before I can actually. Okay, look at that. Look at that fake out on Clove right there. Let's see if it actually, if it bounces and wicks back up, then I think above $9 you might have a chance. But if it rejects here, this is gonna play out as a bear flag. Upstart doing some crackhead shit again. I know, dude. I had less than 1,000 followers like not too long ago, so pretty crazy. Alright, I'm not liking this price action here, guys. Roblox. Okay. So, remember what we talked about this morning? Roblox 90.25. I want to see it clear. Because we broke trend. We had a really, really clean trend line. So, unless... No. I'm sticking to my original thesis here. So maybe you get 90.50, but I don't think you're gonna get much more than that. So there's that short there on Clove, guys. Wow, wow, easy short. If you shorted Clove there at that top, nice. I didn't. I took profit on that little runner. Yeah, it doesn't even need to, it needs to break 90.50. So AMC right now. Holding this channel. Look at Nvidia. So if that holds true. All right, it's 11 o'clock, guys. It's probably a good time to go ahead and look at maybe taking a quick break, set some alerts. I see 250 calls, 225 calls coming in on GameStop for this Friday. Wow, wow, look at that short. Oh, man. Gnarly. Roblox, Andrew. All right, YouTube. I am going to go ahead and call it a day until around 2 o'clock here in after hours, or not after hours, 2 o'clock before the end of the day, and I'll be going over, or I'll be on live with my group in Discord. But appreciate you guys tuning in as always. I'm not quite sure if we're going to be live. We'll be live tomorrow morning, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to take a break tonight, or if I do a recap, it'll also be in the Discord. But I will be live tomorrow morning, probably around 8:15, 8:30, pre-market trading, all that good stuff. So if you guys are looking for that scanner, the Benzinga scanner, all of the information is down below for the discount as well. So let's see here. Yeah, so below this video, you'll see all of that information. So TCAT. Shit. I'm buying a little bit more TCAT.
Order rejected.
Oh, I didn't put that much. Thank God that rejected my order. But yeah, so Benzinga scanner, everything is down below. So I appreciate you guys tuning in. I will tweet tonight and let you guys know if I end up going live on YouTube. If you guys follow me on TikTok, I'll probably go live there, but just won't screen share and stuff like that. So, yeah, Jim Cramer. All right, guys. Well, you guys have a wonderful afternoon. Hopefully, you guys came out green today. I got a bunch of one-on-ones to do with people, so Discord link is on the website as well if you guys are looking for that. But you guys have a good afternoon. Thank you.